Hello everybody, hope you're doing well this morning. We are going to sing our hello song so that we could sing hello to the birds and hello to Lock and Down and to our teachers and our friends. So you ready? Hello everybody, hello to you. How are you? How do you do? Hello everybody at school today. Hello, hello to you. Good. And after we sang that, we are going to do some mind moves now. So remember, we're going to pretend that there's a little bug in our hand and we're going to keep him safe in our hands and we're going to squeeze. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and open, stretch wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and close again tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and one last time. Tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Shake it out. Now we're going to do Miss Howard's favorite one, with our tongues. So let's stick our tongue out as far as you can. Good, and to the side. And other side. And up. And down. And out. And one last time. Well done, wipe our faces. Good job, everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye.